SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in a kind of significant manner. SLP truly faces our position at $0.003, which basically is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture generally is buy and buy esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the really bears certainly has been laid out at $0.003.06 January 2024. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through genuinely smooth love elixir cost examination for new or and large win week from now and explicitly attempt to answer this much of the time in every practical sense. Sought clarification on some things, facts, what in a real sense is certainly transient cost expectation for truly smooth love mixture, sort of is SLP a wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love mixture support and opposition levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging truly profound into the SLP specialized investigation, fundamentally let us discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations, or so they generally thought. Market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,643,998,096,525, which sort of is genuinely huge. The kind of all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $58,832,899,756, which in a real sense shows that smooth love elixir certainly is buy and buy esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the in a real sense, bears especially has been laid out at $0.003.06 January 2024. In this video we will really walk you through certainly smooth love mixture cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these habitually truly sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what truly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for truly smooth love elixir, is SLP, a kind of wise interest in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33% in a huge manner. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a value decline of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours in a kind of large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time span, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Sol, the especially local coin of Solana, essentially is somewhere near 6.74 and right now exchanging at $94.12 in a significant manner. Moreover, XRP came to 57 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.69% in esteem, exhibiting what in every way that really matters brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a kind of descending heading for pretty transient in a truly significant manner. Right now, a really broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love mixture backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which for the most part is very critical. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers really become considerably more beautiful dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how also XRP came to 57 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.69% in esteem, exhibiting what in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%, or so they thought. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers in every way that really matters become move truly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so SLP basically faces obstruction at $0.003, which basically is very critical. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of in every way that really matters, smooth love mixture, SLP, extremely smooth love elixir execution. The truly day-to-day diagram of certainly smooth love elixir explicitly shows that the SLP cost truly has an especially descending development with a 1.18% lessening in all things considered recent hours. exhibiting how these occasions by and large demonstrate that the market generally is going in a very descending bearing for kind of transient in an unobtrusive manner. The value worth of the smooth love mixture (SLP) coin generally is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, which explicitly is genuinely huge. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume most certainly is drifting around $10,395,115 United States dollars in a genuinely significant manner. Smooth Love Elixir Value Examination SLP Cost Investigation for 06 January 2024, inside an everyday time period, especially made sense of underneath in a genuinely significant manner. We utilize really relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and outstanding moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, too in every way that really matters. Dissect the future development of the fundamentally smooth love mixture in an extremely significant manner. The fundamentally relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin truly is close oversold zone, as RSI generally is a 34, which basically shows that similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which dealers generally become move essentially dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so SLP for the most part faces opposition at $0.003, which especially is very huge. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the really signal line after a hybrid in a genuinely enormous manner. Smooth Love Elixir financial backers need to basically hang tight for any directional change over the kind of day-to-day graph, which for the most part is genuinely critical. While SLP's Williams %R marker basically is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange really signal generally is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, showing how the MACD line generally is remaining underneath of the sign line after a hybrid, which for the most part is genuinely huge. As per the customary turn, the vital quick opposition for SLP may sort of be for the most part found at $0.003, certainly followed by $0.004, exhibiting how the kind of relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin truly is close oversold zone, as RSI by and large is a 34, which for the most part shows that similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which dealers really become move most certainly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so SLP faces opposition at $0.003, or so they in every practical sense thought. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency's help levels in a real sense were situated at $0.003 and afterwards $0.